Parliamentary elections were held in Albania on 25 April 2021. In the previous parliamentary elections in 2017, the Socialist Party won a majority with 74 of the 140 seats. The 140 members of parliament were elected in 12 multi-member constituencies based on 12 counties by open list using proportional representation with seats allocated using the method. Significant changes to the electoral system were made a year before the 2021 elections by the Albanian parliament by amending several articles of the constitution. The ruling Socialist Party was accused by the United Opposition, which 2 years earlier had left parliament and had not participated in the 2019 local elections, of violating the electoral law agreement they had previously agreed on. The majority defended itself by saying that the changes were made as a request of public opinion for the opening of the lists of deputies so that each voter chooses his preference. And that with the new system, Albania introduces a system well known and implemented by some European countries, such as Croatia, Slovenia, the Netherlands or Estonia, and moving away from the old system that was unique in its kind and that is not applied elsewhere. Even though a number of European countries use closed-list proportional representation. Demographic changes led to some changes in the number of seats for some constituencies. Tirana gained 2 seats, while Dibër and Gjirikasta both lost a seat. A total of 46 political parties, of which 5 parties are running for the first time, are registered with the Central Election Commission. In the elections of April 25, 2021, voters will have the opportunity to choose between 12 electoral subjects, of which 3 are coalitions, while in some constituencies 5 independent candidates also participate. The largest opposition party, the PD, formed the Partia Demokratike Alianca për Ndryshim coalition by joining forces with 12 smaller parties. The LSI, also in opposition, formed a coalition of its own called Shqipëria Fituesi, while the ruling party PS decided to run in the elections alone but with the inclusion of some candidates of other allied parties. Also, 5 independent candidates are participating in the elections, 3 of which are supported by the Vetevendoze. They are Boykan Abazi in Tirana County, Elton Debrishi in Dibër County, Iljaz Shehu in Lecce County, Pals Kambi in Skoda County, and Kreshnik Merksani in Gjirikasta County.